I'm right now at the Pop Mart in Ion Orchard. This is one of the biggest Flagship store. So let's explore. And the nearest subway station is Orchard. It's very near the subway. So yeah, today is Friday evening, 6 p.m. Going in now. Lots of crowd here. There's shopping bag for you guys to use it for in-store. Customers checking the bright boxes. Baby Molly. Right at the entrance door, there are many of these Pop Mart statues. It's kind of crowded here, so kind of difficult to move in now. There's a giant Molly statue right here. Some Molly here. These are simply beautiful. And right here with the baby Molly and the baby Tabby. I think all kids and adults will like it, no matter what age you are, because they are so adorable. Let's explore more of the stuff here. There's a Nemo. Wow. I'm not checking out the price yet. I'm just doing a short tour here. And there are more stuff inside, so stay tuned guys. The shop is very big. There's even a small one. There's even a photo booth. Wow. Tap to begin, and then the screen is right here. And you can take some like stickers, photo of your friend, family, or even by yourself. Let's move on and explore the rest of the store. It's just so big. By the way, if you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe and like so more people can find it. Thanks very much. Here with the big statue and two smaller ones at the corner. Interesting shaking of the blind boxes. And this will be the cashier area. Oh, these are the tables. There are just simply too many of this beautiful stuff here. You can understand why there are so many people coming here from the time they started the store until closing time every single day. The League of Legends. Oh. If you guys visited any Pop Mart store in Singapore, can drop me a comment right now. I mean the video. The queue is getting longer. At least 30 people are now queuing to buy their stuff here. The Pop Mart. Alien. The Toy Story and the Star Wars characters and Donald Duck. I mean, oh, look at what I found. Pop Mart is getting popularity in all the countries, not only in Singapore but in all the other Asian countries I've been to and some European countries like in Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand. They have the Pop Mart as well. But then every country, the Pop Mart characters are slightly different. I find that in Singapore they have the most variety and I can say the most beautiful and most decorative Pop Mart. And now in front is the Labubu mini market. Welcome. Harry Potter series. Peanut jelly. The Monster Wacky Mart series. The Labubu. And right over here, the Pop Cube. Alright, I need to try to shake. Right here we have the Tom and Jerry figurines or the Pop Mart series. Disney Stitch. This one is the most cutest. And this one is a Kubo series. Very cute indeed. But need to be careful, not too much of strength, otherwise damage them. Super crowded. I think about 100 people here, there's no joke. And this corner is the pop bin. They say it's inedible. And then let's try to take one. It's like, I think more for decorations. You can hang something right here. And there are different colors and different designs. They even teach you how to pop in. This is interesting. Nemo World Disney. They even introduced the demo character. It's a little shy boy. Wow. Scout Panda. More of the Pop Mart series at the corner. The act of shaking is to guess what is inside by the weight contents and how it sounds like. I think kids nowadays have many choices of toys. They're very like lucky and fortunate. Funny rainy day. Pop Mart. Wow. More the Scout Panda series. I returned for the second time in 2 hours because this area was too crowded with customers. Too crowded with customer earlier, so I couldn't like capture the images here, but I can return back. It's 9:10 p.m. now, just like 15 minutes to closing down. Oh, look at this, the doors with the hands. I don't know, some of these characters is new to me. This is a Xin Chan. In Chinese we call it the 蜡笔小新. Wow. There's ongoing crowd. I observe lots of customers. And they actually sell toys here. The bunny figure. The cashier must be very busy. And the store makes money, much money every single day.